What's the verdict?
Yeah, it's nice. Lovely.
A lot of fucking scaffolding. I'll tell you that. Here he is. Driver's best mate.
What the fucking hell's going on here? I drive a Yamaha.
Bowden's first one.
And he's loving it. Class.
Here's Greg, fresh from the box.
With a brand new
11,000
I'm now the proud owner of 2 Yamaha Nuvos, 125s.
Yeah? Are your wheels here?
Just getting them welded together.
Just getting a luggage rack.
Comes in 2 halves.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And that's what we've got to say. And boom.
Here, Greg.
Where's Bowden? Bowden's wheels.
So I've got a Yamaha.
Talk us through it.
What even is it? I can't remember.
Navu.
It's a Neo edition.
A Neo edition.
Whatever that means, that's what it is.
It's got that bungee cords on the back to make you go
cords.
faster. Oh shit. Here's Ben's whip. It's my second one of the night, and it's nice. Here we have Picklehead. Go on.
Got a tan there.
Yeah.
Now this is Carly.
Nice to meet you, Carly.
She's a 2010 Yamaha Nova automatic.
It's got nice
Yeah, beautiful
squidgy grips.
The speedo don't work. That's turned around the wrong way, and it needs to go to a garage for that. So
Very nice.
Yeah. Right, so this is Bertha.
Bertha. Big Bertha.
No complaints so far actually. Everything's working at the moment.
Running well, it's running in first place.
So yeah, that's it really.
Here we have wonky-eyed mirrors.
Yeah, and the
Got a square one and a circular one.
yeah, the square one and the circular one. And the luggage rack is failed. About 20 minutes into the journey.
Failed.
So a makeshift holder for my bag.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to name her Natalie.
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 What B?
The mayor of fun.
I ain't gonna fall back now. All I'm take it on, take it on, all I ever ask, you gonna be my lover. Tonight, I take you with me. If I left, then it made no sense. I need to your friends and they call yours, baby, never mind. If I left, then it made no sense. I need to your friends and they call yours, baby, never mind. If I left, then it made no sense. I need to your friends and they call yours, baby, never mind.
this.